One of the things that I like to do a lot, and I learned that it has its own benefits, is to go back to different tools that I played with or checked out many months ago, and I come back to them and I see if anything changed. Some of them to see if they improved and if they got better, and some to see if they added new features or anything that would be more useful. There's so many tools all around, and a lot of times there are good tools that you don't get around so much to because you're just not using them that much. And for me, that happened with one of the Google Labs tools. By the way, if you don't know, labs.google is a place where you can see a lot of different tools like Pomeli that we did a video about, CC something new, and many more. And I do recommend for you to go in here and see they have a lot of different tools that are experimental, but a lot of them are also later on going and being added into different tools out there, like Notebook LM and inside Gemini and stuff like that. So it's good to get to know these features and these tools that they're doing. And one of these tools that I came back to is a tool called Mixboard, and we're going to see why I came back to it and why I did this video. I think it's very nice and interesting addition that they did to it. But before we go into that, hello, my name is Ryan, and welcome to AI Voices. This is my YouTube channel, and you are more than welcome to sign and subscribe to the channel. If you would like, you can go into the subscription and go into the link tree to find more information about me. Or if you would like to say thanks, you can also buy me a coffee and let me know what you think of any of the videos. And I usually try to answer as soon as possible to all the comments. Yes, me, myself, not an AI agent or anything like that. So let's go back to here. So basically, when we go into labs.google, we will see all the different things. And if we go here under recommended AI tools, we can click on view all. And if we scroll down, we will find Mixboard, which is what I want to talk to you about today. So Mixboard, if you click try now, you can go into it and you will see this page. Basically, it's like a big canvas where you can add all kinds of different elements and things that you want inside, and add it together into some kind of an idea. Now, until now, it was mostly for, generating videos or images or taking a concept and using it for design and stuff like that, which is not really my world, but they have upgraded it into another feature, which is very nice. So when we want to start, we click here on get started, and that will take us into Mixboard, and we can click on new project, and we go here into the project, and here we can start by adding stuff or generating images or adding images from our computer if we want, and start adding. Now, what's new here is that if you look into the right, you will see here that there's a new button called transform, and it says transform into presentations. So you can add here a lot of different stuff. And once you add enough and you get to 100% or more, you can click on transform and turn this into a presentation. So just for the example, so the idea here is that I can add anything I want. It could be images, it could be PDFs, documents, anything that I want. I can just dump into the canvas. And then once I get to 100%, I can click on transform, and that will open me this presentation customization. So I can choose here between visual deck or read only. I can choose here for a topic. What's the story you want to tell? So I can write in here what I want, or I can just leave it as it is and choose here between these four pre-made options, and you can see that it changes according to what I do. So we can do before and after the process or stuff like that. And I can also add how I want the presentation to look like. This will change the different options, or we can customize the style and ask for a specific style. And then we click on transform. Now, it takes a little bit of time. It could take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 20 minutes. And in order for you guys not to wait, so I already pre-made one option. So we'll look at that. So here in this option, I added a few PDFs that are not really related. They're all about AI. One is about voice agents. Another one is also about voice agents. Another one is about RAG, and another one is about a state of the trust report, some report that went out a few months ago. And I added all kinds of images, just a general thing that I threw in, and it made my presentation. And check it out. This is the presentation that we got. So we have here the autonomy paradox. You can see the presentation. You can see the images are looking nice. The information, everything is written very nicely, and we have a full-blown, high-quality presentation that looks really good, looks amazing even. I didn't even read all of it right now because it's just a lot of things that are added together. But if it was something that is related, look at all this information that we can add. So I can build here a presentation for a client or a presentation for my managers or anything like that. And this is already something that's super cool because I can dump in here a lot of information, a lot of ideas, images, themes, and whatnot. And then I can use it here in the presentation, and I can download the presentation. I can share it. I can present it on a full screen, of course. So I can do everything with it. It's very nice, and I would recommend for you guys to try and test it out. This is really a short video just to show you about this new addition that I found. So I can come here back to all the canvas and see everything, or I can click on presentation back here. I can, again, download it. I can delete the slide. I can basically do everything, and I have already a presentation that looks very, very nice and very high quality. So recommend for you to check it out, and let me know what you think, and have a good one.